game, courtesy of our mobile bar. It's a needle and thread game with tequila. So all of you have, hindi pa all of you, ganito po ang mechanics natin. Probably some of you who attended other weddings, this is one of the most popular singles game na nilalaro. Probably because of the shots, no? So, ladies, we will be giving you needles, karayom, okay? You have to hold it. Now, boys, ano bang partner ng karayom? Sinulit! Very good. So, yun naman po ang hahawakan ninyo. Now, isusuot ninyo, ipapasok ninyo yung sinulit, natural, sa karayom. Alright? Pero may twist tayo. Before you insert the thread, magsha-shot muna kayo ng tequila. Okay? Before we do that, I'd like you to please choose a partner now. Kasi ayoko naman ako yung mag-dictate kung sino dapat ang kanino. So,